I really want to buy a really good camera. How can I say? Single eyes or reflex camera. Because my digital camera cannot take a true color.
Yeah.
So that's why. Anyway, very beautiful. I really hope everybody can understand this beach, how beautiful. Arigato, Pedro-san. Woohoo! Arigato, Matias! And arigato, Erjan! Please introduce how beautiful Mallorca to the people of this planet. I want to jump from the top of the bridge. Okay, I won't. This is Mo-chan from Mallorca. Thank you.